Good day, ladies and gentlemen. So today I want to teach you about a particular kind of order block that forms during aggressive moves. Okay, it's either you have an aggressive move downwards or an aggressive move upwards. So this order block is like a momentary pause. So if you're moving in a bullish momentum and you see the green candles coming in, though I've turned my own the outlook of my charts to blue and red. Okay, so if you see the bull candles coming in, the order block is going to be a red candle, which is like a momentary pause. While if you are in a bearish market, the order block is going to be a green candle, which is a momentary pause. You can see I've used an arrow to depict it in this particular video. Okay, so you see an aggressive move downwards followed by a momentary pause, which is this blue candle right here, and then an aggressive continuation. Now the idea is price will always come back to that order block. Okay, this order block that forms in between momentum moves. So all you just need to do is to get, you can use two horizontal line, you can use a rectangle, whatever is good for you. Okay, so I'll just mark it out as a boundary. I can use the body, I can decide to just use the body. Okay, sometimes using the wick and the body makes the area too big. You can just use the body, and if the body is small, then you can use the wick alone. Okay, when I show you some examples, you understand how to draw this particular kind of order block. Okay, so you can see what happened. Price tapped back into it right here and did what, and moved in the downwards direction. So you can see price moved down after tapping into that order block. So what you can do is you can place a limit order inside the order block, then your stop loss just above the order block. You can place your limit order, you can even place your limit order from the beginning somewhere here so that you don't miss out. Then you place your stop loss here. Okay, then you manage your trade from there, knowing that it's going to move downwards. All right, another way, let me give you one secret I use personally. When I have a very big candle like this, I have the understanding that price will always come back to at least 50% of that move. Okay, so I'm expecting price to come to at least around the middle, which it did. Okay, around the middle here, I'm expecting price to come back there. So even if it's just like an extra confirmation for that order block, when you have a big candle like that, price will always want to retrace at least 50% of that. If you look at this big candle here, you would notice that this blue candle did what? It came back up to 50% before moving down. I hope I'm not confusing you. So this candle right here, this big one, the blue candle moved up to cover at least 50% of that big candle before giving us another red candle. So that can help you know that, okay, once I have a big red candle like that, at least price will retrace up to 50%, then move. Okay, so when I see this red candle here, this new one, and then I have an order block formed which I have marked with the horizontal lines, definitely I'm expecting price to move to cover 50% of that big red candle. So that's like an extra confirmation for this order block. Hope you understand the explanation. So that's what's up. It's all about applying your knowledge. Okay, let's see, I think I have another example for you. Let me take this away so you don't confuse. Let me take the horizontal lines away. Okay, where is the other example I marked out? Let's see. Okay, here's another one. You can see price is moving violently in the upward direction. Okay, moving up, but gives us a momentary pause with a red candle there. Okay, so you can see the red candle, this one is small, so I won't be able to use the body. I can use from wick to wick. Okay, I can use from top wick to mark the boundary to the bottom wick because it's small. Okay, so that's my order block right there. I'm expecting price to tap into it and give me an upwards movement. So let's see, Price didn't really tap into it here. I think it will tap into it later. Okay, so price tapped into it right here, but gave us a very small trading opportunity. Okay, so moved up to this point, then it moved down. So if you held this trade for a very long time, what will happen is your stop loss will get hit. Okay, so you have to set a realistic what's it called, a realistic take profit position. Let me quickly analyze something here. If you check this, like I said, everything is application of knowledge. You need to understand structure. This level is an high that is higher than this high, telling you what? Telling you that a downtrend is imminent, a downtrend is close by. So if I'm expecting this other block to still work, I'm not expecting it to move so far up. Okay, so I already explained something about big candles. This is a big candle here. So if price taps into this, I'm expecting it to just move to about 50% of this my big candle. I'm not expecting it to, you know, move up to the point that it now look like an uptrend, because market is already telling me that a downtrend is imminent, giving me what? Lower highs. I hope you understand what I just explained. Okay, if you don't understand, you can ask me questions in the comment section. Like I said, Forex is application of knowledge. If you know what you are doing, you have an explanation for everything, and you know what to do in every situation. That doesn't mean you won't lose. You will lose, but the ones you will lose will be the ones that the markets just moved in that manner. But at the end of the day, you always have more wins than losses, so you have net profit at the end of the day. I think I have another one here. Okay, this is another example right here. So the body is small. I can just use the wick. Okay, move this here. All right, I can mark this out as my order block, and you can see what happened. Price tapped back into it and gave us a wonderful trade. Can you see? Violent movement to the downside, momentary pause, continuation of movements, comes back to tap into our order block and gives us a good trade. Simple as that. Okay, so I don't want the video to be too long. I think that's enough example. If you got any questions, please ask in the comment section. If you're a new viewer, please subscribe and turn on the notification bell. I'll see you in the next video. Thanks for watching.